edition.
And Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki is promising decisive action against those who failed to act and abetted the Shakahola deaths. Kindiki is specifically trading his guns on judicial officers, prosecutors and police officers from Malindi for turning a blind eye leading to the many deaths. Appearing before a Senate ad hoc committee, Cabinet Secretary revealed that some police officers in Malindi who have since been transferred after the massacre failed to act on various formal reports filed against cult leader Paul Mackenzie, as Abdiaziz Hashim reports.
As security apparatus continue to comb the vast Shakahola forest for more bodies. Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki appearing before the Senate ad hoc committee investigating the Shakahola massacre for the third time to shed more light on the status of the investigation.
And we will not spare anybody. We will not spare anybody. The God whom they preach, whom they are telling us has allowed them to do things without questions, is the same God we are serving in our law enforcement.
The Interior CS pointing blame at some judicial officers, prosecutors and police officers from Malindi, he says, must answer to their commission and omissions.
Not the entire service, but some officers will have a case to answer, and other organs of security. I believe even the judiciary, some officials will have a case to answer.
The CS says that cult leader Paul Mackenzie had run-ins with local enforcement numerously since 2017, but was always released on a cash bail despite facing terror-related charges, which should not have been the case.
There are many things that the police should have done differently. There are many things that the NIS should have done differently. There are many things that the ODPP should have done differently, and there are many things that the judiciary should have done differently. So I hope you'll talk to the judiciary, because we have issues there, and we would want to respect them as our anchors of legalism and constitutionalism.
The CS stating that those who slept on the job must answer for their deeds. Kindiki vowing to put in place regulations formed to guide the religious sector to avoid a repeat of what transpired in Shakahola. Tuesday marked day 2 of the 4th phase of the exhumation of bodies at Shakahola Forest, where 10 more bodies have been exhumed today, raising the death toll to 360. According to the Coast Regional Commissioner Rodo Nyancha, 95 people have been rescued from the vast land, as 37 people remain in police custody. Interior Cabinet Secretary Professor Kithure Kindiki has confirmed he will be visiting the vast Shakahola forest for the 9th time before the investigative bodies conclude their investigation into the matter. Abdiaziz Hashim for Prime Edition.